Oh no, then we stay over there then. Your day off. I love you.
I love you too, hon.
Good morning. Ngayon ay what is it? Tuesday ngayon, guys. Ano, what did you eat over here? You eat something? Yeah, I see. Over the floor. Yeah, you're right. These two. It's you, honey, making a mess. Look at this mess.
Of course, you know I give them a cracker. I have a cracker, they gotta get it.
You woke up early this morning.
My hair looks like hell, huh?
It's fine, oh, you look like Elvis. Nice hair though. I like his hair even though you don't brush it because it's like, you know, it's just like this puff. Good morning, guys. My baby is leaving me today. He's getting sick, I think, and then me too. He's been sick for a week. Kami just watch this Doctor Who. Okay, relax. I'm gonna start cooking some food for him to bring to the other house, and that's what I'm going to do, okay? Because he doesn't have any food, guys, the whole time. When he was there, I feel so bad.
You got a late night too much, huh? Form of education crap.
It's just crazy. Anyway, ang gagawin ko humba, broccoli rub. I just leave something little bit over here for me. Tell me that I have something to bring tomorrow. I'm gonna make a egg sandwich. But you season it. I boil and smash it, and then you season it. Okay? The humba you like a humba, right?
I can make eggs.
Huh?
I can make egg salad.
But there is egg. I bought egg extra here that you can have.
What you got?
2 dozen. And I'm only one here.
Yeah, 2 eggs a day. That's
Only one I eat. No, I only one eat every morning. 1 egg. That's it. At ito yung pinoproblema ko, guys. Wala pa ito noon, ha. Yung skin tag, guys, na yung parang pimples siya, pero hindi pimples. Yung may tumutubo na extra skin. Lumalaki ng lumalaki, guys. I don't know. Since I sense this is that's why I ask you guys what can I use for moisturizer. My SPF kasi since na nag-stop ako na yung mukha ko, guys, na-detektahan ko na nagka-prickles, yung itim-itim ba. Saan yung cellphone ko, guys? Hindi ko na makita. Did you see my cellphone, Han? Oh, it's right there. You're lying down in it, Han?
Lying down on it? Oh my gosh.
Huh? Oh, it's right here. It's right here, guys. I'm going to take a drive to the store to pick up some scallion. Kasi wala akong scallion, guys. Hindi kami nakabili kahapon. So, bili na lang ako ng scallion, okay? Itatry ko lang tong foundation na binili ko. Yung Wet n Wild Photo Focus. It's kinda spatula. Na natin. May pagka, ano siya. Oh, parang maputi siya, oh. Apply ko, parang maputi siya sa akin. Parang mas light itong kaysa akin. Kasi may pagka, ano din yung skin ko, guys. May pagka tantan din. Tignan natin mamaya. Maganda yung foundation, guys. Sobrang ganda niya. I like it. I like it. As in, no joke. Gustong-gusto ko yung foundation. Hindi siya biro, guys. Talagang gusto ko talaga siya. You know, yun ang sinabi ko. Maputi-puti siya sa mukha ko. Pero pag kinuntor mo na, binalik-balik ko ito kasi wala akong sweater dito, guys, na panglabas. At saka alis na ako para makapagluto na. Matagalan yung humba, guys, kasi dapat lutuin mo pa ng tubig. Ipapry ko kasi at saka lutuin mo sa tubig with the marinated sauce. At saka yan, hindi ko alam kung bakit sobrang dry yung white ko. Sa mirror, pag tinignan ko sa mirror, maganda talaga siya. Okay, guys, andito ako ngayon sa ShopRite, pero wala silang scallion. So, nag-ano lang ako ng time dito. So, punta ako sa another store, another grocery store, which is really close from here. So, wala sila. So, kasi yun, scallion lang kasi at saka rice ang hinahanap ko, guys. Kasi yeah, I have to see you later, guys, because I am in a hurry because Tammy is leaving early today to go to the other house, so that's why I need to cook early. So bye. Magluluto na ako ng humba kasi si Tammy hindi ko gusto. Yeah, all the thing is trained. You said it before, huh?
What?
Train her.
Yeah, well, I'm here one day a week and I train her.
I know, it's a hard head, that's it. In there. I heard running though. Yeah, I think somebody's running because I can see my rocks over there separated though. Pero there's nothing in the thing wet. Maybe an animals. That's so weird. I heard something running over here. Siya ngayon, guys. Maraming tubig. Kasi gusto kong lutuin muna siya lahat. Guys, si Tammy nag-ano ng turkey para sa aso. Give him dry food, guys. But look at that face. Bug! Hubs! Oh my God! Misty! Two of you doesn't deserve any treats. Ay, daddy. Ay. Sit up.
Oh, stop me jumping.
They always put their butt up. Okay, guys, a few hours later, ito na. Ito na siya ngayon, pero hindi pa yan, luto na siya, guys, pero hindi pa ready. Hindi pa yan. Kailangan pa yang oh, yan siya guys. At saka hindi pa yan tapos kasi gusto ko talagang wala ng tubig. So lulutuin ko lang siya ng lulutuin hanggang lutong na talaga. Ipakita ko to mamaya guys pag ready na. Gustong gusto ko talaga itong foundation guys na ginamit ko na Wet n Wild Autofocus. Gustong gusto ko talaga siya. Oh, nilagyan ko na ito ng bago lang, kalalagay ko lang ng ng oyster sauce at saka sugar. Yung teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of sugar lang nilagay ko. At saka din I mix it. Then later on ilagyan ko siya ng vinegar later na. So ito yung broccoli rub na niluto ko kanina guys. Ito na, tinabunan ko lang siya ng ng paper towel. Luto na siya. So magkukuha I'm gonna get some little bit of that for me here, and then also this one, little bit of this for me here. Nilagyan ko na siya ng sili guys. So ginawa ko ano lang ito you have to close your eyes. Kailangan lang mag-squeeze tayo tuwing umaga. You know how many vinegar, you know, I put vinegar already, and then when you put vinegar, you have to simmer it very slow, and don't don't mix it, because or else your pork turn out hard, not tender anymore. So because you know vinegar intend to make meat harder, any different kind of like egg, meat, and anything, it will turn your food like not tender anymore. It looks like yung sili nasa ilalim para mag-ano yung lasa ng sili, mix. So lakasan ko na siya to 4. Yeah, kailangan pa siyang luto talaga yung, I don't know where's Tommy, but so yung nagbubukal-bukal na ngayon guys, yung fat na yan. So kailangan talagang luto na siya talaga. So para naka-fry siya sa kanyang oil ba, sariling oil. 'Yun ang gawin ko. So naliligo yung matanda kasi mas safer yung liguan dito kaysa doon sa isang bahay. So sabi ng asawa ko dapat maliligo siya bago sila alis. Hindi ko pa ito transfer kasi siya, wala akong time kahapon din, wala. Ito yung kay Tami. Ito yung dalhin nila. At saka ang sa akin ito lang, marami na siya. Tami's going guys. Ha?
Where you put this bag of stuff?
Which bag? No, just leave that there. Let's go to the basement. Alis na sila. Kami na naman dito. Baka punta ako next weekend. This coming weekend, punta ako sa isang bahay, guys. Okay, that you have some. Yeah, but Monday we're gonna come back here. Oh no, then we stay over there then. Your day off. I love you.
I love you too, hon.
I miss this guy, guys.
There's a whole crap that was in here on the table.
I'm too long, guys. I'm too tall. Look
all
at
stuff that was on the table.
which table.
It was on the table.
Look, I found this in your file thing. You bring it here without even looking.
Because I found the other piece. Oh.
So where is the other piece?
I don't know where to keep it in is. I think I can buy time. So, what do we do? Which car? White car.
Oh my god, that was hurt. Sorry, Rox. You hurt your leg. You hurt your leg. I love you, Mitch. I love you, Mitch. You wanna go out? Okay. Hey. Roxy, Misty. I have a tons of washing to do. I don't do nothing when Tommy was here. I mean, I was cooking and I let them eat here. And I let them bring the food. That they have some food over there. And because if there's no food over there, Tommy don't have time to cook. And that's it. Hold on, Tommy is calling already. Hold on, guys. No, it's not me. It's Texas already. This Texas guys just keep calling me. What's wrong with this Texas now? But how people not Texas? Why? That scam thing. There's no deposit thing. There's not, you know, scam thing. Scam. Okay. Quick, fast forward, washing dishes. Hi guys, I am yellow. My nose is itching right now. Oh my god, ang kati-kati. Ang kati-kati ng ilong ko. Ang kati-kati. Ang kati-kati. Ang kati-nakiti ng ilong ko. Here, I just let the dog out. So, time check. It is 8:15. I don't want you to go to the bathroom. Just like the last time, guys. Pinapunta ko sila doon. Open yung bathroom. At sang nangyari, doon si Dimples na lock over there for like, I think, 3 hours. Palagi akong may naring meow, meow. So, si Dimples pala. And yeah, it's night time. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna end this vlog because it's low bat and I'm gonna charge this battery. The other one is over there and I will use it tomorrow. So anyway guys, good night. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. I will see you tomorrow. Time to just go. Bye. Huh? Okay. I'm gonna call them back. But anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Good night guys. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Tignan niyo, Rox. Dalawa, Rox. Kamukha mo, Rox.
Do you wanna go run over there? Ay, naku, maluwag, Rox. This is amusing.